Hey lovies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Teresa. Welcome to my channel, Love Lady Teresa. And today is going to be a mix of comfort food and small pantry organizing. First, I'm making a super simple baked chicken dinner with veggies. This is perfect for a cozy evening. And while that's in the oven, I'm tackling my small spice pantry, giving it a whole new vibe and purpose by turning it into a minimal pantry.
It seems perfectly appropriate, although it wasn't close to the stove. Everything had a place, and for a while it worked just fine. But now it's no longer functional. Spices are piled up, and then when I began throwing all kinds of goods in there. Now I can't see what I have, and honestly, sometimes I purchase things I already have because I can't see everything at one glance. I've outgrown this setup, and now it's time to rethink how I use it. Okay, so let's prep this dinner and get it in the oven. I got a whole chicken here. I'm just seasoning it with some herbs and spices here, which are parsley, oregano, smoked paprika, Italian herb seasoning, garlic powder, Himalayan salt, and lemon pepper. For the veggies, I'm cutting up potatoes and onions. I used bagged carrots I picked up from Costco, and I will be adding some butter and my favorite herbs to it. Today I'm using some thyme and rosemary, and I tossed it all together. The full recipe will be linked below in the description box.
Divine. Dance to the beat, let your body sway. Feel the ground, let the music play. Unity in diversity, we stand as one. Under the sun, till the day is done. Feel the energy from Cape to Cairo.
Okay, this little pantry has definitely seen better days. Spices everywhere.
Some I haven't used in months, and honestly, I need more space for cans and our pantry staples. We don't eat a lot of canned goods, but it's always good to pick up some, especially when they're on sale. We used to store them in the garage on the pantry shelf, but now it's time for a switch, especially since I will be organizing one of the kitchen drawers for the spices. I will show that in my upcoming video. Also, if these are some of the things you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'd love for you to join this amazing and growing community. So the first step is taking everything out. I'm checking expiration dates as I go. If it's clumped, expired, or I can't remember the last time I used it, out it goes. I'm only keeping the spices I use regularly. The rest I will relocate until I begin my spice drawer organization. Then I'll move my cans in and organize it by type, such as beans, corns, tomatoes. You get the idea. Okay, dinner is done and it smells amazing. Look at this golden chicken and those roasted vegetables. So simple and satisfying. I just love it. Next, I'm giving the shelves a good wipe down and a clean sweep. I love using small baskets and risers to keep things visible. Nothing too fancy, just functional. I ordered these 2 baskets from Amazon, but I often go into our storage or in our basement or garage and repurpose items that are unused, just like these wine boxes. Actually, I got these wine boxes from Costco. Whenever I bought 6 or more wines, I would just let them stay in the wooden box, and I have accumulated several boxes over the years. I purchased these rechargeable motion sensor lights. They're dimmable, they're magnetic. They're just perfect for closets or underneath the kitchen cabinets or any cabinets. They're great for under the stairs. They're just awesome. I definitely will be ordering more for upcoming projects. Now that the pantry has totally transformed, I feel so much better now that it's organized and has a real purpose. Well, that's it, lovies. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was such a productive and cozy afternoon. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what's one small space in your home you'd love to repurpose. Okay, so I'll see you next time with some more good food, some cozy vibes, and more little home projects. Spread love, y'all. Hey, lovies, do me a favor. Click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out with the algorithm. Click the bell notification to receive new videos as soon as they drop. Thanks again for watching. Sincerely yours, Love Lady Teresa.